Okay, this is video 24, and we were talking about high quality materials. Specifically, we're reviewing Megascan materials right now. You can see that this is an 8K texture, and all of my Megascan custom materials are 8K, so it's very heavy. And I'll talk more about that. But let's go to our settings, make sure gloss is checked, then download them. Let's open that up. Now we're going to put all of these in the zipped file folder into our downloads folder. Go to our downloads folder, grab all of these. I'm going to go to our material maps folder, go to stone cladding, and make a new folder here. Let's call it Castle Wall 3. Dump our files in there. Let's get rid of these two files and open up our gloss map. Let's exit out of those and open up our normal map and go to Lumion. Okay, so we're creating a new material. You can figure out what all of these are just by hovering over them, but most of the time when creating a new material, we're going to use standard. And we're going to slide our colorization to 0 and import our albedo map. So let's go to that stone cladding folder, open up the Castle Wall 3 folder, and import this albedo map. While that's syncing, we're going to go to Photoshop. I have a Photoshop action, which if I press Shift F7, it's going to do what we previously did with the Roman column. It's just, Photoshop is just going to do it, which is why I open the glass map first and then the normal map. Okay, so I'm going to press Shift F7 now. And it just went through all of those actions that we did last time. Okay, I'm going to save this as a target file. Save that. This has imported. And now let's go get that target file. Okay, that loaded. Let's load our displacement map. The first thing you probably noticed when we imported this is that the scale is too small. So let's adjust that with our map scale imported. Again, if we hold Shift, we can fine tune this scale. Let's take a look at what our maps are doing. Okay, let's turn the gloss and reflectivity to 0. Let's check out how good this relief is. That's about right. Now let's turn on the displacement. I don't like this texture because it's very repetitive. It's tiling, and it's easy to see that it's tiling. So it's not very good. So we might have to try a different texture. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say that the client requested a rock wall with this pattern of rocks and mortar, but the color is wrong. So let's go to get our albedo map and take it to Photoshop to adjust the color. We're going to go to layers, and then we'll start this video with